Hello everyone, today we are going to discuss something which is very confusing, difference between little and a little. You know, one letter added before the word little makes a huge difference. So let's see what's the difference between little and a little today. Firstly, let's see what is the similarity. Both of these, little and a little, are used with uncountable nouns. Uncountable nouns or uncountable noun is something which can't be counted. For example, water can't be counted. So these things which can't be counted are known as uncountable nouns. With these kind of words, when we have to quantify them, we can use words like little or a little. Now, what is the difference between little and a little? Little is used when you are pointing out at something negative. When you are looking at the negative side of something, and when you are looking at the positive side of something, a little is used. Confused? I have confused you more? Okay. Now let's take one example. Have you heard that famous thing like glass is half full or half empty? It's up to you how you look at it. Remember, glass, it's half full or half empty. It's up to us how we see it. So if you are pointing towards the half full part, you are trying to tell someone that glass has some water, at least it has some water, it's not empty. So you are going to say glass has a little water. Water is uncountable, so we are going to use little word, and we are showing the positivity here, at least it has some water. So what we can say, glass has a little water. If you want to say that glass is half empty, oh, it's so less in quantity, so what you are going to use is glass has little water. Do this and your problem to find out the difference between a little and little is solved. This is Anushree signing off. Bye bye.